In 1979, my parents were both doctors, left Poland and took 2 suitcases and 2 small children. My brother was 5, I was 6, and they came here for a better life for their kids.
Now the siblings are in their mid-40s. She's an attorney, he a doctor. They've been in America for 4 decades on a permanent green card.
He doesn't even speak Polish.
On Tuesday, as he was enjoying a day off with his tween girls at his home on the lake in this exclusive neighborhood near Kalamazoo, 3 immigration and customs enforcement officers came to his home, told him he was being taken into custody, and took him to jail in handcuffs.
The question I get all the time is, why do you think this happened? And I just really don't know.
ICE won't comment on the case, and no hearings have been held. A bond hearing may not come until February, and it's unlikely that bond will be granted, according to immigration law experts.
Until this gets heard, which could be up to 6 months, he could be stuck in a prison cell and not helping and being with his family.
The only spot on Nice's record, 2 misdemeanor convictions when he was 17, one for destruction of property less than $100, and another receiving and concealing stolen goods. He pleaded to these charges more than 25 years ago under the Home's Youthful Trainee Act. That allows young first offenders to avoid a criminal record if they never offend again. But ICE, as a federal agency, does not honor that state plea agreement, something Nice says he did not know when he took the plea.
You know, these misdemeanors were just an adolescent making mistakes and learning from them. He cannot be deported back to Poland, a country he doesn't know, he has no family at. Both our parents passed away here in the United States. We don't know anyone. He wouldn't even know where to go.
Now Nice awaits his fate in jail.
We did go see him on Wednesday. He was shaking. He's in an orange t-shirt, just kind of shell-shocked.
The doctor's wife said their 2 daughters need their dad.
He's an excellent physician. He's loving. He's caring. He's an honorable husband, and he's always helping others.
Mark Ash, an immigration attorney, said in the last year, ICE has broadened its scope.
These days, again, there's less discretion being exercised in who they go after. They're being more aggressive, generally speaking.
He's the person I call whenever anything goes wrong or right, and now I can't do that. And it's breaking me up.